y'all? It's your girl Angel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Perfect Angel, and as you guys can tell from the title, we're going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 13 mini. Y'all, I wasn't really anticipating to buy this phone, but it never fails. Like, something always happens to where I have to buy a new phone. Like, it just never fails. Like, I've had my iPhone 11 Pro Max for 2 years, and I kid y'all not, as soon as I pay it off, because I never buy my iPhones outright. Like, I buy everything out in cash, but I always just pay monthly with the phone company or whatever for my phones or whatever. As soon as I paid this off, something happened to it. Like, it can work, like it works, but I can't hear anything on it. So it's just like I have to always use my AirPods, and it's so annoying. I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, there's always something. Apple be knowing what they be doing, bro. Like, you cannot convince me that they don't. Like, but whatever. It all kind of worked out because my mom's phone totally went out, so I'm just going to get this one fixed, give my 11 to her, and then just use this 13 mini for my personal phone and still have my 12 Pro Max for my business phone. So I guess it worked out, whatever. So let's just get into this unboxing. I don't have anything. So yeah, I decided to get the mini because it's been so long since I've had a small phone. Like, I think the last small phone I had was like the iPhone 15. Last time it was like small, so I was like, let's try something different, okay? And plus I have 14 days to return it or exchange it if I don't like the size, which I doubt. I do not like it. Oh, I'm probably shaking the table. Sorry, guys. That's all my information to activate it. Oh, it's so small. Oh, this is really small. Like, this is really small. Like, my phone is bigger than the case. Like the 12 Pro Max. Turn it around. It's literally bigger than it with it in the case. Well, let's take the case off, because that does make it a little bit bigger. Still, lined up, it's still, you guys can see, it's still bigger. Like, that's insane. It's the smallest phone. So yeah, I got it in the midnight color. She is. So let's get to it, baby. How cute. Let me not drop it. How cute. Oh, still almost dropped it. Set that down. Oh God, that's small. Like, I'm not used to that. I'm not used to that at all. Of course, y'all already know what comes. USB-C to lightning cable. You get a sticker. Yeah, they gave me a sticker. I've never used any of the iPhone stickers ever. SIM card ejector. Whatever those little instructions manual will be. Like, we all know how to use an iPhone, okay? Gosh, today's a beautiful day outside. So I'll set that over there. Just beautiful. And let's turn this baby on. I'm about to say, this thing better not be Wow, this is small. And people were saying like it looked kind of blue. I could see where they're saying the little blue tint. But it looks black. I mean, hello. Oh, it's a different language now. So yeah, I don't know. Should I show y'all? Let me see. Well, actually, no, that would be a really ugly. I got too much stuff on my desk. So let's just set it up. I want to set, I don't even know how I'm going to do this. Okay, so because I want all of my stuff from my personal phone to be on this phone. So, okay. Let's do it this way. Finish on new iPhone. That's a really nice feature that they have. Like, to be able to do it this way is like top tier. Top two, not number two. Okay. Okay, so that's activating. I also bought I went crazy, y'all. Like, I went crazy on Shein, and I bought like 20 cases, but I bought some for my best friend and for my mom and my granny too. But yeah, like, I went crazy. Let's do Face ID. Let's take this off. Period. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay. Okay. You can directly transfer your data during setup or finish downloading it later. Which one? Transfer from iPhone or download from iCloud? I don't know, because I don't even know if I bagged this phone up with iCloud. So let's just transfer directly from the phone, because here's everything set up how you had it. Okay.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Oh,
you can change it later in settings.
You can choose the voice right here.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
That's a black
you can
man.
change it later in settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
I had a British man last time. Hold on. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Beautiful. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. I do that all the time. Telling her to set alarms and stuff. Hey Siri, play some music. Moneybag Yo, preferably. Okay. I love Moneybag Yo. Hey Siri is ready. Oh yeah, I know how to use Siri, bro.
I'm not sure who that is. I can remember that after you set up your contact information. In Siri settings, tap on my information and choose your name from the list.
I didn't say call Moneybag Yo. I said play him. Ari not finna beat me up. So it's updating, you guys. So I guess while I was doing that, I can open up. Wow, look how freaking small it is compared to this phone. It's gonna take a lot of adjusting. Hopefully the case makes it feel a little bit bigger. 22 minutes remaining. Oh, Jesus. So I went ahead and bought one case off of Amazon so that it would get here by the time I did this video, because I knew Shein was going to take about a week or a week and a half. So I went ahead and just bought one. How do I open this? I went ahead and bought one. Oh, Jesus. Like, y'all do not have to make it that freaking durable. So this is the case I got from Amazon. Why is everything so difficult to open nowadays? Like, of course, I got a nude neutral color. So cute, so small. I'll link this down in the description if you guys are interested in getting this case. It was very cheap. I know I didn't pay any more than $15. I never do. So it's probably like $10 or something. So let's just slip this right on in here. How cute. Oh, how cute. A little bitty phone. I have such a small phone. It's so cute. Like, yo, I'm childish, but it's still got 4 minutes remaining. How y'all day been going? Are y'all enjoying this unboxing video? If so, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave a comment, say yes, I'm enjoying this unboxing video, and make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to, go ahead and share it so other people can enjoy this unboxing video just as you are right now. 3 minutes remaining. How do I activate this? So I'm gonna have, I have so much I wanna have to do with these phones. I'm gonna have to transfer my mom's phone. Y'all, don't be like me, okay? Like, just don't be like me and have to deal with this. My granny gonna be in her feelings because I was gonna give my old iPhone 11 to her so she can upgrade, because I always pass my phones down really to my granny. But my mom really needs it, like, right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to her. I'll probably just end up having to buy my grandma a new phone. So it sucks being the Beyonce of the family. Okay, just kidding. Two minutes remaining. How do I activate this? Like with my company. Oh, activation guide for Apple devices. Let's get started. Why is there so many steps? There's 3 steps, like. Okay, did it finish? Oh no, 2 minutes. Why is it making my phone? This is so, oh my gosh, this is small. Like, I actually can freaking type without having to, like with my 12 Pro Max, like I'd be like this trying, and I have long fingers. I have really long fingers and I still struggle to reach each end of the keypad. So this is gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. 58 seconds remaining while I read how to activate this thing. Back up the device, blah, blah, blah. Transferring your, oh, this is so much. I'm not gonna do all this on camera. Like, this has nothing to do with the unboxing. I'm just trying to be a step ahead. You guys probably don't even care about this part. I might take this part out because, I mean, who really cares? It's just tradition to go through the whole setup, you know, with you guys. So, who am I to break tradition? 17 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds, 7 seconds, 3 seconds, 0 seconds remaining. It's definitely been 0 seconds. Like, don't lie to me. Preparing update. Preparing update. Preparing update. Preparing update. Prepare. I'll be back. Y'all, it's literally been like an hour. Finally. Jesus, that's the longest it's ever taken me to do what I need to do. Restart my iPhone. Oh, yeah, because it's doing it exactly how this phone is. Maybe that's why it took forever. But, y'all, that's pretty much it. If I didn't tell y'all, I got the iPhone 13 mini. I got it in the 256 gigabyte because they were out of the 128, so I had to get the 256. I was not doing the 512 at midnight. So yeah, that's my unboxing. That's it. It's gonna be an adjustment. I know it's gonna be an adjustment because I've had big phones since they came out with the big phone, what, in like the 6 Plus or something. So we're gonna see how it goes. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave the Amazon case linked in the description, and I'll see y'all next time.